keeping your cool. Understanding, keep a cool head. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard, keep a cool head. This phrase is not only common in everyday English but also a great example of idiomatic language. We'll explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you master it. So, let's get started. Keep a cool head is an idiomatic expression. In English, idioms are phrases where the meaning isn't obvious from the individual words. To keep a cool head means to stay calm and not get overly emotional in stressful or challenging situations. It's about maintaining composure and thinking clearly, even when things get tough. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember them. The phrase, keep a cool head, is believed to have originated from the physical idea that a cool, or lower, body temperature is associated with calmness and rational thinking. In contrast, being hot-headed implies anger and impulsive actions. This contrast between hot and cool as metaphors for emotional states is common in many languages. Now, let's look at how to use this phrase. You can use keep a cool head in both formal and informal settings. It's often used as advice or a suggestion. For example, in an emergency, it's important to keep a cool head. Despite the chaos, the team leader managed to keep a cool head. Like many idioms, keep a cool head has variations. You might hear, keep your head cool, the same meaning but slightly rearranged words. Cool, calm, and collected. This phrase extends the idea of staying calm to also being organized and in control. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, keep a cool head. Remember, idioms like this are a great way to add flavor to your English and sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and don't forget to stay calm in challenging situations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.